Once you put the Bandits on for the first time and they're fitted onto your footwear, they're very easy to remove. Just undo the top Velcro, the middle Velcro, and the bottom Velcro. And if you have flat sneakers, you could just use the front tab like this and slide them right off. Now with the understrap fitted the way you like it, they're very easy to put right back on. Just slide it right back on and just strap it down. Now you're ready to go and get back out there and get dirty. One thing I'd like to mention is if your footwear or your shoes are smaller size and you have excess Velcro strap, you can cut these off. These are designed to be extra long for large sneakers and boots, but you can also cut them down if you got a smaller pair of shoes or a smaller foot and you have the flap hanging there. You can cut this excess. Also, another note is there is a right side and a left side. So I designed them so this side looks clean on the outside and the straps are on the inside, so you could take them off easily. But if you'd rather have them switched around and reversed, where the strap is on the outside, so it's easier for you and your preference, you can do that. So there is a right and a left side.